Introduction. This is my attempt to describe the indescribable, comprehend the incomprehensible, and explain the unexplainable. It's the story of my private journey from fear to love with the assistance of alien life forms. The journey from running away to gradually finding acceptance and then embracing that which used to terrify me. I have documented my mystic travels from the murky, dark, swirling waters of fear, up the treacherous waterfall against the current of insecurity, into the crystalline, warm embrace of the